Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete one of your reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, the only reels you'll be able to delete are your own. Well, there is an exception. You can report somebody else's reel, and if it is a valid reason, and if enough people report it for the same reason or other reasons, it'll be taken down, which is pretty much similar to deleting it. Now, of course, you should not abuse this method, since Instagram automatically checks all reports before they are viewed by a person, and even if your report is denied, once a real person overviews it, if enough reports go through, then they might delete the reel. However, if you want to delete your own reels, that's a much simple method. Just go into the bottom right, click on your account, go into your account page, and then you can either select to view only your reels or the entire post grid. And if you're in your post grid, just select whichever reel that you want, click on the ellipses in the top right or the three dots, and then scroll down, and then you'll see a delete option. Now, if you actually go into the reel itself and click on the three dots, you'll also see that same delete button. So once you click on it, you can then confirm and delete the reel, which I will not be doing. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. It's a very simple process. You can do this for any reel that you would like. Pretty sure they will go to the trash, and you might be able to return it for up to 30 days. However, I might be mistaken. You might just delete it permanently. And in that case, I would recommend you download it before you delete it permanently, in case you change your mind. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.